Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Are you in the mood for an unboxing? I certainly am. And today we're going to be opening up the Curated Bead Box for the month of December. Now if you're not familiar with this box, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a link to the website and a coupon code in case you're interested. But basically it's a value box, and it comes out every month with a different theme, and I can't wait to see what this month's theme is. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. And here we have Curated Bead Box for the month of December 2023. The name of this box is Treasure Chest. And as you can see, we get a little preview there. The colors look absolutely beautiful. And down here is a list of the contents, as you can see. Let me move it up. On the right are the codes for each one. So in case you want to get extras, you can go to the website, the dollarbead.com website, and use those codes to search for the items. I do want to point something out though. Down here, it says bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because sometimes you may get something different in your box. It doesn't happen very much, but it does happen from time to time. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up this box. Oh my goodness, look at this. Well, this is different, isn't it? It looks like it's memory wire, but it's very big. So it looks like it might be for a necklace. That is so cool. And look at all these colors, guys. They're so pretty. They're very soft and very neutral. And it looks like the metals this month are both gold and silver. So that's cool. Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. Here we have the first three items. These are all 10mm size beads. I really love these beautiful soft colors. Let's take a look at these. These are glass pearl beads. And the color is latte. A very pretty color, as you can see. And I love the luster of these pearls. It's really pretty. And the quality is pretty good too. You can always tell by the holes. Sometimes when they're poor quality, the finish kind of peels off around the holes. But these look very nice. I like them. Let's take a look at these now. These are crackle beads. And the color is silver. And they definitely do have a lot of that crackle effect. Don't they? They're so pretty. Very nice. Let's take a look at these now. These are called duo style glass beads, and the color is rust and gray. And they're called duo style because they have two colors, I'm assuming. They almost look like gemstones, don't they? They're very, very pretty. I love that combination. Let me get some more beads. And here we have two super long strands of 6mm size beads. Each one of these strands is 16 inches long, so that's really nice. And I love working with this size bead. I think the 6mm size is my favorite size. Let's take a look at this one here. These are crackle beads, and the color is champagne, but it's kind of like a very warm golden champagne color. Very nice. These are gonna look very nice with those pearl beads that I showed you a few moments ago. I really like them. Let's take a look at these now. These are jade style glass beads and the color is latte. You could definitely use these two beads together in some kind of design, either a bracelet or a necklace, because these colors really coordinate well together. But I think these would look nice with those rust duo style glass beads as well. What do you think, guys? Let me get them. Here they are. Don't they look nice together? They really do. I'll have to think about it. Let me get some more beads. And here we have some loose beads. We have two different kinds of mixes. This one's called Cafe au Lait. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this one's called Sparkle and Shine. And then we have these faceted bicone glass beads. But aren't these cool, guys? Look at all these different beads. Whenever I see a collection like that, it really taps into my creativity. Let's take a look at some of them. I'll load them on my rod. And here I have some of them. It's not all of them. There's still plenty down there. But I tried to get two of each kind. The only one that I don't have two of is this big one right here. But anyway, these look like they range from that very large one, which I think is about 12mm. And then these are 10. And here we have some 8s and some 6s. And since I have two of each kind here, you could definitely make earrings. But anyway, these have the same kind of colors. The latte color, the rust color, and that golden champagne color as well. Aren't these beautiful? I love looking at these kinds of mixes. I'm getting all kinds of ideas right now. This one's kind of cool. It has a little bit of turquoise. And so does this one, actually. Very, very nice. I like these. Let's take a look at these bicones. Here are 4 of them. There's a total of 8. These measure 14 by 8 millimeters, and the color is silver luster. And they really do have a beautiful luster. Look at that. Now that plating is only on one side of the bead. It's not on the whole bead. I'm not sure if I would call this color silver though, because it's quite dark. It's more like a hematite color. Very, very nice. I love how the light reflects off those facets. They're very pretty. Let's take a look at these now. And here are some of them. And once again, I tried to get 2 of each kind. Now there was only 1 of this one. Same thing with these 2 here, but I was able to get at least 2 of the other ones. And once again, they range in size from 12 millimeters all the way down to 6 millimeters. The ones that I really like are these right here. I think these are so cool. They're actually clear, as you can see, but on the side they have the silver. They're so cool. I like these 2 as well because they have that little touch of hot pink. They're so pretty. So anyway, guys, hopefully these mixes will inspire you to create something really beautiful. They're certainly inspiring me, that's for sure. Let me get some more items. Here we have some metal beads. And I don't know if it's these lights, but these beads look super shiny to me. But anyway, here we have some silver spacer beads. They measure 8 millimeters in size. And these gold ones measure 4 millimeters in size. There's a total of 20 silver ones and 200 of the gold ones. These come in really handy. I've used them many times. But one of the things I like about these is that they actually have very large holes. So I've been able to use them on leather cord. These have large holes as well. Let me give you a close-up. And here I have a few of them. The gold ones are made out of iron and the silver ones are made out of brass. Let me show you the hole. See how big that is? You can definitely thread 1 millimeter sized cord through that. But anyway, these come in really handy. I love using them. I love adding that little touch of metal to my designs. Let me get some more items. Here we have some more metal items. These are square spacer beads, and there are 2 colors as you can see. That's really cool. I love the design on those beads. And here we have some hamster charms. I think the hamster hand symbolizes protection. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it symbolizes. Let's take a look at them. There's actually 3 different kinds. The larger one and the smaller one are very ornate, whereas this one's kind of smooth. It looks like a laser cut charm. Let me see the other side. This one's the same on both sides, and so is this one, I think. Oh no, this one's different. That one has a different finish. And I think this one's the same on both sides. So that's really cool, guys, that we get 3 different kinds or 3 different sizes. And even though they're called charms, I think you could probably use the larger one as a pendant. And it looks like there are 5 of these small ones, 2 of these large ornate ones, and 1 laser cut one. Now your mix may be a little different, I'm not sure, but you should definitely have a total of 8. Let's take a look at these now. And here I have 6 of them, 3 of each color. And I'm so glad that I threaded them on this rod because I had no idea they would drill diagonally. I really love that because it's so different. But anyway, these are really pretty, guys. I love that design. It looks almost Celtic. And these measure 8 millimeters across, and there are 10 gold ones and 12 silver ones. Aren't these pretty? They're so pretty. They're so unique too. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. Let me get some more items. Here are the last 2 items. Now I do have the Finding Starter Kit to show you besides this, but we'll take a look at that in a few moments. I've been doing unboxings for Curated Bead Box for quite some time now, but I've never seen necklace memory wire. But anyway, there are 10 spirals, and according to the listing, this wire measures 1 millimeter in thickness, which is nice because you need something sturdy for necklaces. But I know I'm going to have a lot of fun using this memory wire. And here we have some wine glass hoops. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. We've had these before in a previous box. I don't remember when it was, but I have seen them before. That is so cool. There's a total of 6, and they measure 24 millimeters across. Let's take a look at the Finding Starter Kit now. And here it is. You're always going to get one of these each month, and they either come in silver or gold, and this month's is silver. Let me show you what it has. We have some jump rings, and these measure 6 millimeters in size. I love these, they're very high quality. We have some ear wire hooks, and there's a total of 6, so that's enough to make 3 pairs of earrings. We have some flat head pins, and these are very thick. We have some crimp beads. These are the round crimp beads, they're not tubes. We have some lobster clasps, there's a total of 4. We have some beading wire, and I think there's about 36 inches worth, or maybe a meter. And here we have some stretch cord, and it's the very thick stretch cord, so it accommodates large beads. And lastly, we have some memory wire. I believe it measures 60 millimeters across. So if you're a beginner, this is a really great kit to have because it helps you to get started. Sometimes when you first start out, it's difficult to figure out what to get, but this kit has pretty much everything except maybe some craft wire, which I actually use a lot in my designs. But you can definitely get started with beading wire, head pins, clasps, and jump rings, and all the other things that are included. So now let me arrange the whole collection on my board so you can see how everything coordinates. And here we have the entire collection, the Treasure Chest collection for November 2023. Of course, I'm missing the necklace memory wire and the Finding Starter kit. But as you can see, you get a tremendous amount of beads. And these colors are all very easy to work with. I love that they're so neutral. I think my favorite are probably the bead mixes. I really like those. And I like that there are 2 kinds. This mix with the warm tones and this one with the cool tones. And since the holidays are coming up, it's nice that we get some wine glass hoops. And with all these beads, guys, you can make all kinds of gifts. There's definitely a lot of beads here. And like I said in the beginning, it's a great value, especially when you add the Finding Starter kit. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be creating something with these beads, so I want you to come back and check my channel for future tutorials. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.